What's up, y'all? I'm about to talk about my new boots today, okay? Look, let me tell y'all something. I got these boots from Wal-Mart. Now, look, these look so thick. They thick, they slick, ugly. But guess what? My feet warm, okay? My feet are warm. Shout out to my mother-in-law for the leg warmers. She got me these a couple years back for Christmas, I believe. I don't know. Thank you, mother-in-law. I love you so much. So, y'all, this is the tag from the boots. Temp rated. Okay, -5 degrees Fahrenheit. This is the tag. All right, so and here go the other tag. I got a size 9, y'all, just because I be wearing thick socks and stuff, but you know, so I wear a size 8 though. But anyway, so if y'all want to donate boots and stuff, new boots like this and stuff like that, because you know, you never know when you're gonna need some new boots. You know what I'm saying? So these are nice. On clearance at Walmart, on the little shelf that be on the end of the aisle. Yeah. Best $13 I done spent, y'all. I'm telling you. I don't know if they come in other colors. These black. Y'all, they super dirty. These my outside boots. That's what I do in these. I be outside in the garden cutting up. If you watched my video yesterday, you will see that I had these boots on. You know what I'm saying? Cutting up, acting a fool. So yeah. If you know somebody who be working in the garden and in the yard and doing little stuff outside, tell them, go to Walmart. Get these right here. They got a little faux fur around them and stuff like that. Y'all, my feet are not cold. And it's supposed to be like 25 degrees right now. But it don't feel like it. Yes. Thank you guys for watching this video. And I'll see y'all on the next one.